It's estimated that there are 37 trillion cells in the human body, each of those no wider than a hair, and of course, each containing the DNA which makes up the human genetic code. And that's the code which determines everything about our individual human biology, from the color of our eyes to the shape of our toes. The work of Francis Crick and James Watson a generation ago now has led to some amazing scientific discoveries in the area of human gene mapping. But what if we could unravel the spiritual genetic code of a follower of Jesus? What would that look like? That's what we're going to do on Sunday mornings as we begin a new sermon series together this term, as we answer the question, what is the DNA of discipleship? And we'll be exploring key Bible passages that highlight the values that are essential to the Christian life. We'll unravel the various strands of our faith to discover how we are designed by God to function best. We'll begin by seeing how the heart is the control and command center of the entire human personality, and how from the heart flows our actions, our behaviors, our priorities, and our patterns as God shapes us to become more and more like Jesus. When the brilliant Renaissance artist Michelangelo was once asked how on earth he had managed from one single block of rough marble to sculpt the brilliant masterpiece that was called David, Michelangelo replied, "Well, I just chipped away everything that doesn't look like David." What's the DNA of discipleship? Well, put simply, it's the result of God chipping away at everything about us that doesn't look like Jesus. For the Christian enjoys the Spirit of Jesus living in them, and with His Spirit comes the power that we need for a life that looks more and more like Christ. So join us on Sunday mornings as we unlock and map the DNA of a disciple of Christ.